Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam download speed drops to 0. So the first thing you can try is clicking on the Steam logo on the top left and opening the Steam settings, then click on download. Now click on clear cache. Doing this is recommended by Steam if you are facing errors downloading or trying to launch games. Please note that clearing this cache will stop and delete any progress on current downloads you have running, so you might want to double check that. Click on confirm and Steam will restart itself. The next thing you can try is opening up the start menu and searching up view network connection, and then right click on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and open up its properties. Then select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on properties, and then enable use the following DNS address and type this in the fields, and then click on OK, and you can close everything. And now the third method you can try is searching up CMD and opening the command prompt as administrator, and then type in ipconfig, leave a space /flash DNS, and then press enter. Next, type in netsh, leave a space windsock, leave a space again, reset, and then press enter. And now one final thing you can try is right clicking on the start button and opening up device manager, expand this drive section and select your drive that you're trying to download into. Right click on it and open its properties. Click on policies and uncheck the setting, and you can click on OK and close everything. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.